morning on a Friday morning. I'm at my spot in Conroe, 1375 bridge. It is windy like heck today. Cold front's about to come, and you know the cat's gonna be biting before the cold front. Right, I got my 5 rods set up. I did get a quick nibble a while ago, but I didn't get it. But that's a good sign they're starting to bite though. So we'll see what happens. But it is extremely windy today. The wind is blowing from the northeast, and we'll see. Uh-oh, what is this? I'm not at my usual spot today, so I'm gonna try this spot. Usually I'm over on the other side of that tree, but today I decided to change spots and see what this is like today. Boy, it's windy. Woo-wee, it's windy. Okay, the first fish of the day, guys. Boy, that took like 30 minutes. That feels pretty good, actually. Decent size. Oh, it's a channel. That's a decent sized channel there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. First cat of this windy, stormy day. Hopefully the blues are coming soon. Check out the sun. It's coming out. Something is nibbling on this one. But he's not ready to commit. Woo, look at that wind. I think it's 35 miles per hour gust. Something keeps nibbling on this. What the hell? God, dog. Now they're starting to feed all of a sudden. And this is the one I threw pretty far. This is actually better size. It's a channel too. All channels today. Yeah, this one's nice. Yeah, a little feisty guy. Oh, I barely got him too. Look at that. Barely got him on the lips. Here's the bait I'm using today. I got these white shrimp from Costco. A lot of the shrimp that I usually get from H-E-B, now they degut the veins, and so it doesn't stay on the hook so well. So I stopped using the shrimp from H-E-B, and these are way stronger and stay on the hook. So I got these at Costco. He was running off with it. Ooh, that sun is blinding me. Can't even look up. Uh, 100% chance that it's a channel. And it's a channel. What I say? Channel number 5 today. No blue. Hear the wind? It is so windy. You can tell by the lake over there. The bridge is on the other side, and all the water, the wind is going right through this way. It's somewhat protected from the road, but it's still windy. All right, Kay's lucky rod finally got a fish. I was wondering when it was gonna hit. This thing feels heavy. Another channel. What a surprise. Another channel. Yep. Ooh-wee. There you go. Lucky Charms rod. Lucky Charm. Got fish number 2. Oh, this one's, oh, what? This one's fighting. The heck? I know it's a catfish. It's a good sized channel. Oh, that might be the biggest one today, I think. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Oh, he swallowed it. It is 9:40 a.m. and they're starting to pick up a little more action right now. Caught a nice channel cat down there. You can see those. It seems like they're starting to bite a little more now. Let's keep it going. Fishing Adventure is brought to you by St. Arnold's Art Car IPA. Man, that pole was going down. It didn't even shake, it just went down. I just saw it. I didn't hear anything. I just saw the pole go down. It's not even that big, man. Why does it feel so heavy? Oh!
Oh.
Thing came up right there. Oh, good gracious. That thing just ran. I don't know why the channels, they fight harder. Surprise, another channel.